So hi everyone, welcome to all of you to this class of atomic structure questions practice sessions. We are going to discuss for your MSc entrance examinations like BHU, DU, JNU, IIT-JAM. For these all examinations we are going to discuss your IIT-JAM for your questions of your MSc entrance examinations. Okay, so this is the first question regarding question number 1. This is the question number 1, that is, when a metal is irradiated with light of frequency 2 into 10 to the power 15 Hz, the maximum kinetic energy of the ejected electron is found to be 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 19 Joule. The threshold frequency in Hertz of the metal is close to. तो ये आपको बताना है कि आपका कितने के क्लोज रहेगा, कैसे रहेगा. तो जस्ट ट्राई टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, देन विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन विद यू गाइस. ओके, so please try this question. So the solution for this question is, you know very well that initial energy is equal to your threshold energy plus your kinetic energy. This is nothing but your photoelectric effect. This is nothing but your photoelectric effect. Okay, so this is photoelectric effect. And what is photoelectric effect? And photoelectric effect क्या बोल रहा है आपके लिए कि your energy is equal to h nu I is equal to h nu naught plus kinetic energy. This is about photoelectric effect. And if we are discussing with frequency, that nu I is equal to nu naught plus kinetic energy divided by h. This is your frequency, and you have to calculate the threshold frequency. So the threshold frequency is equal to nu naught is nu I minus kinetic energy divided by h. This is threshold frequency. And if we are discussing about threshold frequency, the initial frequency of light is given to you, that is 2 into 10 to the power 15, that I have showed you in the blue color, that your nu I is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 15 Hertz, and your kinetic energy is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power 19 Joule, 10 raised to the power 19 Joule. So whenever you put in this formula, that is your first equation, that nu naught is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 15 minus your kinetic energy is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by, what is the value of h? The value of h is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34. And whenever you solve this equation, that is this part, so this will becomes as 2 into 10 to the power 15 minus your 10 to the power minus 30 whenever goes to above 10 to the power 34, and this comes out to be your this is 10 to the power 34 comes out to be minus 34. So this comes out to be 6.63 into 10 to the power, this is minus 19 na, sorry, this is minus 19. Okay, whenever this is minus 19, then this comes out to be the answer number B, because this is 2 into 10 to the power 15 minus your 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 34 minus 34. Okay, whenever you will multiply this is 1, then 2 into 10 to the power 15 minus this is your 1 into 10 to the power 15. This comes out to be 1 into 10 to the power 15, and your answer in Hertz is the B answer. Your answer is B. Okay, so for question number 1 your correct answer is B. आपका correct answer क्या हो गया? B answer आपका correct है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या बोलता है? अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ बात करें तो the longest wavelength in Angstrom in the Lyman series of hydrogen atom spectrum is, the longest wavelength आपकी क्या रहेगी? It is discussing about the longest wavelength. तो अगर हम बात करें longest wavelength की, तो the longest wavelength you know very well that in the Lyman series, and whenever the transition is n from 1 to n to 2, then it is the longest wavelength, because the energy in this case is very low, so that wavelength in this case is high. Wavelength in this case is high, so the wavelength is more. So you have to put out your Rydberg formula, that is 1 by lambda is equal to RH into Z square, that is 1 by n1 का square minus 1 by n2 का square. This is your formula. So when you calculate your you have to calculate wavelength. so is equal to 109,678 centimeter inverse, that is 1 by n1 का square is 1 by n minus 1 by 4. This comes out to be lambda is equal to 4 by 3 into RH. This is the solution, and put the value of RH, you will get the lambda that is 1215.7 angstrom. तो ये आपका यहाँ से इसकी वैल्यू मिल गई है आपको। क्लियर है गाइज? तो ये वैल्यू हमने यहाँ से उठा ली है। अब देखिएगा, अब पढ़ते हैं अब दोबारा से। चलो ये क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके, तो इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को आप सभी अच्छे से कर सकते हो। तो अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि डिफरेंट कोर्सेज है जहाँ मैंने इन सभी कंप्लीट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस किया है। तो ये कोर्सेज हैं आपके, दैट इज़ द कोर्स ऑन जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री फॉर DU BHU, आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड. This is the course on gaseous state, I have covered. Course on stereochemistry for DU BHU, I have covered. Okay, after that I have discussed with you guys the course on thermodynamics. We have discussed detailed course on conductance. We have discussed, that is a detailed course on electrochemistry we have discussed. And after that we have completed our course on chemical kinetics. We have successfully completed course on atomic structure and quantum. We have successfully we are going to start from tomorrow, that is the course on thermochemistry and surface chemistry we are going to start. After that we will start the solid state, then spectroscopy, देन केमिकल एंड आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम। तो इस तरह से हम अपनी सीरीज़ पढ़ेंगे कोर्सेज़ की, जो हम स्टार्ट करते रहेंगे। तो जिस भी किसी स्टूडेंट को प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन के रिगार्डिंग अनअकैडमी पर पढ़ना है तो वो क्या कर सकता है, कोर्सेज़ को सब्सक्राइब कर सकता है और हमारे साथ यहाँ पर अनअकैडमी पर ज्वाइन होकर अपने सभी कोर्सेज़ को लाइव पढ़ सकता है। ओके गाइस, तो ये आप सभी के लिए बेनिफिट मिलेगा। एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर डाउट्स देन यू कैन लेट मी नो, आपके क्या क्या डाउट्स हैं जो आप यहाँ पर हमारे साथ पूछना चाहते हो, तो आप अपने डाउट्स डिस्कस कर सकते हो हमारे साथ, ठीक है। सो इन सभी क्वेश्चंस की PDF आपको मिल जाएगी, आप सभी इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हो। तो थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस फॉर ज्वाइनिंग विद अस एंड हैव अ नाइस डे, एंजॉय योर प्रिपरेशन। Okay, this so one more question we have to discuss, that is the question number 3. The de Broglie wavelength for a cricket ball of say 0.14 kg traveling at 40 meter per second is close to, you know very well, your lambda is equal to h upon mv for de Broglie wavelength, and if you have the idea of h, that what's the value of h, 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34. What is the value of m? This is your 0.14 kg. What is the value of your v? This is the value that is 40 meter per second. So put all these three values in this case, that comes out to be 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by 0.14 into 40, and it comes out to be 1.20 into 10 to the power minus 34. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा आपका? ये आंसर करेक्ट है, ठीक है गाइज। सो इसके लिए आपका आंसर ए करेक्ट है। चलो एंजॉय कीजिएगा, हैव ए नाइस डे, विल मीट अगेन विद अ न्यू सेशन, that is on, I think maybe the chemical kinetics is the next session. So take care, bye bye.